Unity in diversity in India, as there is geographical, racial, religious, caste, class, linguistic and cultural diversity. One finds unity in diversity everywhere in India. India is a land of diverse physical features. It possesses high mountains like the Himalayas, the Vindhyas, the plains of North India, the hill ranges of East and West shores, the deserts of Rajasthan and Gujarat, etc. Various rivers, variety of soil, food grains, fruits, vegetables, climate, metals, etc. adds to geographical diversity of India. One also finds difference in lifestyles, traditions, customs, food festivals, and occupation of people in India. India is a secular state. Supporters of every religion have been given the right to follow their religion freely. Religious minorities are given freedom to safeguard their culture, language, and script. India is a religiously diverse nation because followers of world's major religions reside in India. India has accepted the principles of secularism and thus making difference between people based on religion is prohibited. To preserve culture, tradition, language and script, special fundamental rights are provided to minorities. Indian society comprises three main classes. They are upper class, middle class and lower class. One finds subdivisions among each class. These subdivisions include upper middle class and lower middle class. Some of the other forms of classes include business persons and workers, landowners and landless laborers. One can also observe classes of literate as well as illiterate. These classes show the diversity in class system. There are about 1652 languages and dialects in India. Hindi is declared as a national language and English is accepted as a language for administrative working and medium of instructions in schools and colleges. Every state has its own official language. All languages are classified into 4 groups. These groups are Indo-Aryan, Dravidian, European and Tibet-Chinese. One also finds many dialects as a rough form of language which has no script. Dravidian languages like Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam and Kannada have their own scripts. Even Urdu has its own independent script. Thus, one finds diversity of scripts in India. India is also culturally diverse nation. One finds cultural diversity in different fields like customs, traditions, occupation, hairstyles, food, habits, festivals, norms, values, music, dance and lifestyle. Moreover, Constitution of India has eradicated untouchability and discrimination done based on caste. In this way, unity in diversity exists in India.